digital marketing tutorial channel. The question for this video is, how do you know which web pages are most popular on your website? Well, when we go to Google Analytics, we go down to behavior. Click on behavior, then go to site content and all pages. And from there, you can see which of the pages on your website are the most viewed, as well as the average time on site in terms of how valuable those pages are, entrances and exits, as well as the bounce rate of each page. And all you need to do is go down to show rows so you can dig down as deep as you wish into your website for that specific period of time. You can change the amount of time that you're viewing your website based on days, such as 3 or 4 or 7 days, 30 days, as well as an entire year or more. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you don't want to miss a future upload, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you're notified when the next video goes live. If you're an entrepreneur, head on over to my other channel, Rosh Sillers.